Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Khadijah, and in today's video we are back with another wig installation. So today's wig is brought to you by LUVME here. Of course, whenever I'm doing a glueless unit, it's always from LUVME here. They're 100% beginner friendly, ready to wear, and the prices are really good. So today's wig is from LUVME here. I'm just going to show you guys what came in my package today. But this is their packaging. So once you open your box, it should look like this. And the wig and whatever goodies they send you will be underneath. So this is our wig. We'll get back to that in a minute. So in our packaging, we did receive some small gifts, and we always receive a user guide. So if you're new to wigs, they always send you a user guide so you'll be able to install your wig flawlessly without any form of complication. A user guide is the best way. LUVME here always sends us a user guide in our package. We also received a wig cap and a wig grip band, and I have no idea what's in this box. This is our first time receiving this box. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, this is our first time receiving this. So let's see what's inside. Oh, it's not real. Okay, so we received a brush from LUVME here. We received a detangling brush. Yeah, so we received a detangling brush, and of course it says LUVME here, always about branding. This is it. This is our first time receiving this, so thank you LUVME here for sending us a detangling brush. I really needed one of these, by the way, I'm not even gonna lie. So let's go ahead and move along to the wig. That is it for what came in our package. So the wig we're installing is their 10-inch 4C glueless deep part kinky unit, and it comes with the kinky edges. It's already pre-plucked, it's already pre-bleached, everything was done to the unit. It came with the adjustable band. And for the wig construction, it has the 2 combs in the side, and they always give us extra security with the one in the back as well. This is our unit, and this is their 10-inch blunt cut bob wig. I love the texture of this. I love their kinky edges. I love their kinky unit. Like, it just blends with my hair seamlessly. So today's wig is actually one of my favorite. So let's go ahead and install it. This is it. So I will be cutting the excess lace off before I put my wig on. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some foundation to the lace. It is a glueless unit, so I like to apply my foundation on the lace itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of foundation, then we put our wig on. Alright, so this unit actually comes in a side part already. So if you're like a center part person, then you probably want to get one with the 4x4 lace. They do have that as well, but this one was actually styled in a C part. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it actually came in a side part. Yeah, so the unit comes pre-styled in a C part. It has a nice deep C part, but if you want like a center part, they do have the 4x4 laces, so you can actually get that one. But this one was pre-styled. As I said, this one is a grab and go unit, so if you're getting this one, it's ready to wear. So let's go ahead and put our wig on. Alright guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. Now that we put it on, it is 100% glueless. This is it. 100% glueless. So what I'm about to do now is to flat iron the unit. It is a kinky unit, so I'm gonna take my time to make sure that I get it super straight. But this is it. This is what the hairline looks like. Comes with the 4C edges. this is it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my unit, and then that'll be all. It is a simple 5-minute wig, ready to wear, super easy to install. This is it. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my unit. Guys, this is the final look. I love how this turned out. Super pretty, very easy to install. It is 100% glueless. As I said, the wig is 100% beginner friendly and ready to wear straight out the box. This is the final look. Super soft. I'll be leaving the link down below so you guys can go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.